In this video, I'll be showing you how to get eggs in Brawl Stars. So this feature is only available if the Godzilla City Smash event is active. Well, this event happened on April 2024. So the developers have promised that this kind of event will come back, but it has a different finish or different kind of name. So make sure to watch out for this event since it's almost 2025. So let's get to it. As you can see, when you click on the event, the Angels event is currently active. But I'm going to be showing you a picture of how you can get this monster eggs or these eggs. These are the event shop that you can get the eggs from. Well, you need to buy them for 79 diamonds or the current gems currency in the Brawl Stars. You just need to swipe a little until you see the best fit reward or best fit eggs for your choice. Well, these eggs will generate a random class of eggs like epic, mystic, or legendary if you are really lucky. Well, that's it. That's how you can get these eggs in Brawl Stars if the Godzilla City Smash event is currently active, and thank you for listening.